In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tell if Chrome is 64-bit in just a few seconds. This is a super simple check, but it's really useful if you want to know whether you're using the 64-bit version of Google Chrome for better performance, better stability, and improved security. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access settings, tools, help options, and more. From here, move down to help, then click about Google Chrome. You'll see a page open that automatically checks your current Chrome version. This is the easiest place to confirm whether your browser is 64-bit. On that page, look closely at the version information. If Chrome is 64-bit, it will usually say something like 64-bit right next to the version details. If you don't see 64-bit listed, you may be using the 32-bit version instead. In some cases, Chrome may also update itself automatically on this page, so it's a good spot to verify both your version and architecture at the same time. If you want, you can also use this page to confirm that Chrome is fully up to date before you close it. So, to quickly recap, open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome, and check the version details for 64-bit. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to tell if Chrome is 64-bit without digging through complicated settings. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.